everyone, I am Kelly Schaffner. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, please be certain to hit the subscribe button. Tap the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And if you are returning to my channel, thank you so much for joining me once again. I really appreciate your support. I want to introduce you to my dog, Cowboy. I don't know if you've seen him in any previous videos, but Cowboy is 17 and a half years old. He is a very old puppy, and he is blind, he is deaf, and he is senile. He just likes to be in the room with me when I am filming. So if he is acting peculiar, that's why he's old. I'm starting this video out by showing you my outfit. These are the kind of coral colored skinny jeans from Reverie that I received from a Stitch Fix, and this is from my last Nadine West. This is this floral top that I thought looked a little bit maternity, and it was too long, but someone suggested I paired it with a pair of skinnies, and I thought this might look all right. What do you think about it? Another thing I want to show you is the necklace. Can you see this necklace? And these earrings. You recognize those? Those are from my last Nadine West, and I'm going to tell you about that in just a moment. Today I will be unbagging my Nadine West bag, and Nadine West is a style service. You go online, you fill out a very short style profile, and then they put together a little pink bag for you that contains anywhere from 4 to 8 items with clothing and accessories and jewelry. And the $9.78 is charged for shipping, but that is deducted from anything you keep in your bag. I have always purchased something from every single bag that I have received. And somewhere in my journey with Nadine West, I became a VIP. I have no idea how I became a VIP, but now I get unlimited bags and no postage charge. So I can send everything back and I don't lose anything. So that's awesome. Thank you, Nadine West. And Nadine West offers 10 days to decide what you want to keep and what you want to send back. And normally it doesn't take me that long. I decide when I try the items on if I really want them. Some of them I need to sleep on for a day or two to decide if they're worth the cost. But I'll tell you what happened last time. In my last Nadine West unboxing, I will link that video. There were only 2 items, really 1 item that I was crazy about. That was a pink t-shirt, and there was a pair of earrings. I wasn't so sure about them, but I decided to keep them, and I wore them the very next day and received several compliments on those earrings. So score! I had everything else bagged up and with my other stuff to go to the post office, and you know, this is hard to miss. I grabbed everything else and left that entire pink package in my closet, and 10 days passed and I owned the entire package, and that is why I am sporting this blouse and this necklace and these great big earrings. Because if you don't get your stuff back in 10 days, it's yours to keep. So it's all mine, and none of it was so bad that I won't wear it. I'll tell you that much. I've got some painting to do, so I think I have a new painting shirt. Okay. There it is. Like I said, we have the return mailer, and we have a note from Nadine West with all the prices, which I will look at later. And I am so lucky. I always get 2 bundles, and oh, I don't like the looks of this one. Oh, it looked dark to me. It still looks dark. That's an olive green and a burgundy, and there looks like a sweater-like fabric. I hope that's a cardigan. And then bundle number 2, again, we have some dark colors, another olive green and something blue. So we'll start with our first bundle. The first thing we have is this. This is a blouse by DNA Couture, and let me show you the pattern. That's kind of pretty. And this feels like a poly blend. It does have the tab sleeves, and it's a faux wrap with a pretty deep V, it looks like, and I don't know. This has promise. We have a little pocket there. So promising. Okay, what's the sweater?
Please be a cardigan. Please be a cardigan. Don't be a sweater. I don't need a sweater. It's a sweater. This is by B Collection. This is, I don't need a sweater. I honestly do not need a sweater. It is close to 100 degrees today. This is kind of a deep plum color, it looks like, I guess, with tab sleeves and a V-neck, and I'm kind of disappointed in this option. Okay, bundle number 2. First item is heart hips. This is a olive green tunic. There's nothing about this I like. I do not need a long sleeve tunic right now. Last clothing item is by C Mode, and this is a maxi dress. This is really super thin fabric, and it appears to be a halter style. You can see that print there, and then we have this rope or braided type cord that goes through the top of it, and it doesn't appear to match anything else, but you know what? I love that. I like that, and it's got the tassel detail and the beading on it, and so I think that's kind of cool. You know what? It just looks really thin, so I'll try that on. This is the thing I am most excited about. This is the only summer item of clothing I think that I've received, and then we have 1, 2, 3 jewelry bags. Okay, starting jewelry bag number 1. A gold or kind of brass colored pendant. I'm going to try that on. Jewelry number 2 is a pair of earrings. These look promising. These are from Lucky You, and they are angel wings, or that's what I like to call them. They have a feather appearance, but I think they're supposed to be wings, and that's in a turquoise color. And these I might enjoy. Okay, we have a bracelet here, and that is expandable. It's an elastic bracelet. So I don't know if you can see that turquoise color. This kind of looks interesting. It's going to depend on the price. This is by Fashion Leader.
This is the first top, the DNA Couture. Wow, this is a cleavage top. It's got a really deep V, and I don't think that it could really be tacked up too much higher without ruining the style of the blouse. We have that V. It's pretty deep. You can go even deeper with the cleavage if you like, and we have the tab sleeve there, and it does have a collar. Can't really see it, but there's a collar there, and this is what the top looks like. So it's very form-fitting, and you know, I don't mind it too much, but it's, did you see these pockets? You can't see the pockets because all you can see is cleavage, huh? It's the sweater, and I have to eat crow because this sweater feels really, really amazing, and it's really comfortable and loose fitting. Let me show you. This sweater feels like silk. It's super lightweight. I'm actually considering this sweater. I'm so surprised. It does have the tab sleeves, and those are permanent. I cannot take them down, but this might be a great option when I know I'm going someplace that's cool. But I can wear this into the fall. I think it's a fall color, but the reason I'm kind of sold on it is because it feels so nice. Let me get up close so you can see this necklace. Still, I'm not that crazy about it. Here is the bracelet, and it's very unusual. It is an elastic bracelet. It's very simple, and I do think it kind of goes with these earrings. What do you think of these earrings? So the earrings are growing on me. I might keep the earrings. This top is heart and hips, heart hips. This is see-through. This bra is Fredericks of Hollywood. This is completely see-through. This is a white bra that I'm wearing, but nonetheless, I can't possibly wear this. So it's light, of course it's lightweight fabric. It's see-through, and it's long sleeve. It's tunic length, and it has this asymmetrical hemline, and there's absolutely nothing I like about this. I mean, you'd have to wear, well, you could probably get away with a nude bra, but you would have to wear a cami under your long sleeve tunic in the summer. I can't do that. I cannot. This is a no. This is a no. No, 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 no. This is the C mode dress. I just noticed the tag. The tag. There's no tags inside, so I can't tell which is front and back. Let me turn it around. So I had it on backwards. This tie goes in the front, and so, you know, the arms are kind of big, so I have to adjust it and put the fabric up, which takes away this detail, this little V detail, the closer to, so I can get it to fit here. And okay, I'll stand back. You can see what the dress looks like. We have a little slit there, and it is not floor length, but it's really long. Yeah, I'm not feeling this dress, not at all.
You have seen all the prices. I am going to look at the price list myself for the first time right now. And I really appreciate your comments. I can't wait to hear your comments on this Nadine West bag. And so many of you have written me comments about my positive attitude. And I thank you very much, because I work on being a positive person, and I am very positive about this bag. I am positive that I am really not crazy about this shipment. In fact, I'm kind of wondering, because I made that mistake and kept the entire bag a few weeks ago, if they didn't say, that Kelly Schaffner's a sucker, send her all our winter inventory, because I'm not real crazy about anything they sent. Even the one summer item, the dress, is really funky and ill-fitting. So let's look at the prices. Okay, the straight olive top, the see-through top, $23.49. The sweater in mauve is $33.99. The Santa Fe top, that was that deep V cleavage top, is $27.99. The dress is called the Gorgeous Forest. Give me a break. There's nothing gorgeous about that dress. That's $29.99. The Lucky Wings, the earrings, are $13.99. That is the only item I am thinking about keeping. The necklace is called the Iron Throne. That's $21.99. That's ridiculous, I think. The bracelet is called the Legends. It's in bronze. It's $12.19. That's probably a good price for the bracelet. I won't wear it. I just don't wear bracelets. I like them, but I never think to put them on. So I'm not going to purchase a bracelet at this time. I liked the sweater, the mauve sweater, which is $33.99, the most expensive thing in this bag. I did like it. It's not season appropriate. I could wear it sometimes during the summer, but I really want summer, springtime clothing right now. So I look forward to your comments. I think I might keep the earrings, but I might send the entire bag back, and I need to make up my mind right away. I am not purchasing all of this stuff. Thank you so much for sticking around to the very end, and thank you for supporting my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. So thank you very much for a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in just a couple days with another video. Blessings.